Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to morEwish Cuisine. A perfect way to enjoy winters is having a cup of hot cocoa, especially if it's homemade. This recipe requires very few ingredients and turn out delicious and so creamy. I used the same hot cocoa mix and made a holiday gift basket for some co-workers and neighbors, and I will share that idea with you guys as well. So without further ado, let's go and make it happen. So let's start our recipe. Bismillah. First, in a saucepan, I'm adding milk with some sugar and cocoa powder. Start mixing with a whisk and just transfer the saucepan over to the heat and start cooking on a medium to low heat until cocoa powder and sugar is completely dissolved. Make sure it will not come to boil. Then add chocolate chips. Now chocolate chip is the main ingredient of this recipe. Some good quality chocolate chips will make your hot cocoa delicious. Now if you don't want a sweeter hot cocoa, you can add bittersweet. Today I'm using semi-sweet chocolate chips in there. So after chocolate chips are completely dissolved, just switch off the flame, adding some vanilla essence, and now I pour and serve immediately. Now you can serve it with any of your favorite topping. Today I have some heavy whipping cream whipped up, and in 1 cup I am just topping it off with some crushed candy canes, and another one is getting grated chocolate. Now I'll use the same recipe for the basket, so I'll quickly show you that. I'm taking some medium-sized jars. This is the crafter jar I got from Dollar Tree. Another one is a regular glass jar. In a bowl, I am sifting some cocoa powder. Sifting will make sure that you will not get any lump in your cocoa mixture. Then adding sugar in this bowl, mix everything well, and now I will transfer it into a clean jar. Then just clean the jar from the sides and from top, and then add your chocolate chips. Just put the lid on, and then your jar of hot cocoa mix is ready. I just decorated with some ribbons, and then you can just add anything you want in your basket. Today I just packed some few marshmallows, some peppermint candy canes using a wire basket, and then Wes got this cup for one of his co-worker. You can add any snacks as well. Today I have some wafers and my homemade chocolate crumble bars, and then you can arrange it however you like. Just don't forget to add the ingredients and the recipe, and then just adding some chocolates for the added touch. Now if you want, you can make it without the mug as well. I made this very small basket for neighbors without the mug, but added a little bit of more chocolate in there, and this is how your hot cocoa is ready to serve. You can add any of your favorite topping in there. Just serve hot and enjoy this recipe in this winter. And if you're trying this recipe at home, please let me know how it turned out with you. If you want to learn something else, let me know. Leave me a comment down below and I will try my best to make it happen for you guys. Once again, thank you so much for watching. And if you like this recipe, don't forget to click on the links to enjoy a lot more recipes like this.